Example 41. A pentagonal pyramid of side 30 mm and axis 60 mm long is resting on one of its edges of its base on HP such that its axis is parallel to both the planes. Draw the projections. So here again we have a pentagonal pyramid which is resting on one of its edges of its base on HP. Again, so this is till here it is very similar to the previous problem because again the edge is resting on the HP, but here it is mentioned that the axis is parallel to both the planes. Earlier the axis was parallel to only VP, but here the axis is parallel to HP also. So we will see now first how to imagine this. From the previous question you have seen that it was resting on its edge, triangular face, but here the axis is parallel to both the planes. So I am now tilting it so that it will become parallel to HP also. Earlier it was parallel to VP already from the previous question, but now here I have made this parallel with respect to HP also. As you can observe here, this is quite easy. We have to just make the axis parallel to HP. That's it. It's very similar to the previous problem. Now when you view it from the front, you will find that you will have two triangles, as you can see here. It's very easy. Now you can observe the edge there which is resting on the HP. So this is the final front view, as I have stated earlier also. Two triangles in the front view, and when you view it from the top, there will be again two triangles in this manner. Now as the axis is parallel to both the planes, first we have to assume that we have to draw the side view, which is a pentagon. It is a direct regular geometrical figure. That is why we will draw first pentagon, and then after getting its dimension we will start the front view and top view. Now we will draw this.
Again we are assuming, as we have assumed, that this is resting on the horizontal plane. I will draw the front top view first with 2H pencil. Which is again 72 and 72 degree. Zero 10 72. Again this is 30. You can join this now. So this completes our assumed top view, and as for the front view, also the center point, as we are doing from the last 10 problems in a similar way. Now the axis line. The axis length is given as 60. We need to mark 60, and then we have to join it with this points, all with 2H pencil, because this is just an assumption and not the final answer. The marking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, O dash, and this is O. And now in the previous question it was mentioned that this one of these edges was lying on the one of the faces was lying on the horizontal plane, but in this question it is mentioned that it is parallel to both the planes. Axis is parallel to both the planes, so we need to make this axis parallel to this plane. For this reason we need to take this as the height. So for example, if you see that maybe I will take a point somewhere here. This is my 3 dash and 4 dash. So this 1 dash will come in alignment with this line only, and its height would be 47, as you can see here. So you can easily just draw this line above 47. The end is the 1 dash and 2 dash. This is where your axis line will lie, and this is the point of 2 dash and 3 dash. 2 dash and 3 dash, this is your axis line. So first I will draw the axis line, which is 60 mm. Then it will become very easy. You just need to join the corners with the axis line, and this completes our front view, which is actually parallel to the horizontal plane. And now I will draw the top view. For top view, as always, we need to project these lines from the front view as well. So front view will be very similar shape of which is also a triangle, and we need to join this. This edge is visible from the top only. Sorry. So this edge is only visible from the top, but not this. Not these two edges. That is why these edges will be drawn in hidden lines. So this will you can mark as O and O dash. So this is completes our question number 41. And for the dimensioning part, we just need to dimension two things.
So this is the solution of, for example 41, when the axis is parallel to both the planes and the edge is resting. You can observe the edge resting on the HP and the axis parallel to both the planes. Here you can observe here and here.